Hey guys, it's Mrs. Merrill. I'm here just to go over your Traditional Literature Common Assessment project, okay? Right now I do have our slides pulled up. Make sure that you visit our calendar in order to get to our Google Classroom link, or you can go directly to our Google Classroom and find the assignment for Monday through Wednesday, April 13th to the 15th, okay? So these are our slides. This is what will pop up when you click on the Google Slides in your Google Classroom link for our assignment. I'm going to keep it in this mode so we can see all the slides on the left-hand side. I'm not going to go into present mode to make it fit the entire screen, but I want you to be able to see the different slides over here, okay? And I am going to read through maybe 2 or 3 different slides at a time. So I don't have a link for every single slide, but I'll have a link for a couple slides, okay? All right, so our first slide right here, it's just our title slide. It includes our AKS and our learning targets as well, as you can see down here, okay? So we have a Traditional Literature Common Assessment project for young Arthur. We are going to be creating a coat of arms for him that depicts some information about him that you will be able to identify after reading the passage. We have 4 AKS that we will be addressing. These are the skills that you will be demonstrating. AKS 1, I can cite extensive evidence to support analysis of a text. AKS 2, I can evaluate and summarize a complex theme and its development over the course of a text. AKS 3, I can evaluate the impact of the relationships between the plot of a story and the characters. And AKS 28, I can draw evidence from a literary text to support analysis, reflection, and research. So overall, you will be reading a passage and finding evidence to identify and analyze the theme and its development over time, okay? All right, let's look at slide 2. Here we have slide 2. It's just an overview of the project. It says Traditional Literature Common Assessment Project Overview. Please read through slides 2 and 3 carefully and follow each step. Slides 2 and 3 will include the steps that you must follow in order to complete the assignment sufficiently. Assessment Overview. After studying various texts within our Traditional Literature unit, it is now time for you to apply what you have learned. For this assessment, you will read the legend Young Arthur by Robert D. Sansucci. Once you are finished, you will complete a coat of arms which will incorporate the following standards we have been practicing. So again, we have our learning targets for this assessment right here. I've already read you them, so I'm not going to repeat myself, okay? So this was just the video for slide 1 and slide 2.